Hey guys, it's Anna. I'm so excited to show you this example of how to write this equation in slope-intercept form. When I first saw this problem, it reminded me so much of exactly the kind of problem they would put on the test after feeding me these easy breezy examples all class. I'm feeling all confident, and then along comes something that looks like this, and they want me to put this in slope-intercept form. But don't worry, I will show you exactly how to do it. It's really, really easy. All you have to keep in mind is that you're trying to get y by itself, and you're trying to get your mx term followed by your constant. So it's literally just remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. That's really all there is to it. You just have y equals mx plus b. That's the form you're trying to get it in, okay? So we start by asking ourselves, what is happening to y right now? Where is y right now? So y is being subtracted from x, and it's being multiplied by 3, and it's being divided by 2. So just 3 things are happening to it, right? Being subtracted from x, multiplied by 3, divided by 2. 3 things, right? Fingers? Okay. 3 things are happening. So that's all we have to do. We have to unwind each of these things, okay? So it's just like a few things are tangled, we're gonna unwind them. Which one do we wanna unwind first? Well, I always like to start by getting rid of the fraction. I feel like it just makes everything easier. How do we get rid of this fraction? Actually, let me use blue because it's gonna show up a little better to contrast. Let's get rid of the fraction by, right now we're dividing by 2. So in order to get rid of this, we have to do the opposite of dividing by 2. What's the opposite of dividing by 2? Multiplying by 2, right? So let's multiply by 2 on both sides of the equation, okay? Or like we can go like this and then 2, okay, right? Multiply by 2 on both sides. So now these 2's are gonna cancel, okay? So we're gonna get 3x minus y, and the bottom is gone, equals 9 times 2 is 18. So remember, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 2 over 2 is 1, so this goes to 1. And that's why it goes away, because it's just like we're multiplying by 1 out in front. 9 times 2 is 18. Excellent. So now this is a little bit easier, right? We're not dividing by 2, we're still unwinding. How many things are happening to y, okay? Y is being subtracted from x and multiplied by 3. Let's get rid of the 3, right? Right now we're multiplying by 3. What's the opposite of multiplying by 3? Dividing by 3, okay? So let's divide by 3 on both sides, okay? So here's what we got. We're gonna say these 3 divided by 3 goes to 1. So we're up here, we're gonna have x minus y equals 18 over 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Ooh, are we getting closer to getting y by itself? Yes, we are, okay? We're getting so much closer. We have negative y, and some people want to make that, we want to make that y positive. We eventually do need to get the y positive. So one way to get the y positive could be to add it over to the other side. We could add y to both sides, right? And now we'd get x equals 6 plus y, or x equals y plus 6. Same thing, either way, right? So now let's get y by itself. What's happening? Y is being added to 6. Let's do the opposite. Subtract 6 from both sides. So we have y equals x minus 6. Okay, let's check. Do we have this in slope-intercept form? Y equals mx. What's our m here? What's our slope? It's 1. The m is 1. Minus 6, what is minus 6? It's our y-intercept, right? So this is our slope, and this is our y-intercept. Always, right? So 1 is our slope, because it's the m attached to x. The number attached to x is 1 here. Minus 6, which is our y-intercept. So just a couple quick and easy steps we had to follow in order to write this in slope-intercept form. We had to say what is happening to y. A lot of things, right? Being subtracted from x, being multiplied by 3, because it's in those parentheses that are being multiplied by 3, and it's being divided by 2. So we chose to fix the divided by 2 first. So we multiplied by 2 on both sides to get rid of the 2. Then we chose to get rid of the multiplied by 3 by dividing by 3. And then we chose to move it over to make the y positive. And then we chose to subtract over the 6. And lo and behold, we get y all by itself. I'm really excited to see you guys try this out. I love showing you guys problems that are a little bit trickier than the examples you might find in the textbook to help you really build confidence, prepare to ace your test. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment if it was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.